Welcome to Enigmatic Ends, where we unravel the mysteries shrouding the deaths of history's most fascinating figures. Join us as we dive deep into the unknown, exploring the secrets that lie beyond the veil of life, the mysterious death of Sri Aurobindo, a journey beyond life. In the vast expanse of India's history, one name shines like a beacon of light, shrouded in mystery and power: Sri Aurobindo. A revolutionary, philosopher, and spiritual master, Sri Aurobindo's life was anything but ordinary. Yet, it was his death that left an even more haunting mystery, one that still whispers through the corridors of time. Born in 1872, Sri Aurobindo embarked on a journey of extraordinary transformation. From his early days in Bengal to the forefront of India's freedom struggle, he emerged as a fierce voice against colonial oppression. Yet, just as the world recognized him as a revolutionary leader, he vanished into the shadows, withdrawing to the quiet town of Pondicherry. It was there, in his secluded ashram, that Sri Aurobindo's true quest began, a journey into the deepest realms of consciousness, far beyond the ordinary grasp of reality. Years passed, and Sri Aurobindo's teachings grew like an unseen force, drawing seekers from every corner of the globe. He spoke of a new consciousness, a divine transformation that could elevate humanity to unimaginable heights. But as his influence expanded, an eerie silence began to settle around him. His eyes, once ablaze with passion, seemed to gaze into another world, as if he had already stepped beyond the veil of life and death. Then, in the December of 1950, the inevitable occurred. Sri Aurobindo's health took a sudden turn. His followers, who revered him as a living embodiment of the divine, watched in disbelief as the master's body weakened. Doctors diagnosed him with uremia, a condition that caused unbearable pain. But what happened next baffled even his closest disciples. Sri Aurobindo, in his characteristic calmness, refused all treatment. He spoke little, but his eyes told a story of acceptance, perhaps even a secret knowledge that eluded the rest of the world. As the pain intensified, he uttered words that sent chills down the spines of those who heard him. "It doesn't matter if this body goes," he said. "What matters is that the work will be done." What did he mean by this? Was he hinting at something beyond his earthly existence, something that transcended life itself? In the early hours of December 5, 1950, Sri Aurobindo took his final breath. The ashram was plunged into silence, but what happened next sent ripples of astonishment through the minds of everyone present. His body did not stiffen or decay. For 5 days, Sri Aurobindo's body remained perfectly preserved, as if time itself had bowed to his will. Devotees reported an inexplicable fragrance emanating from him, a divine scent that filled the entire ashram. It was as though he had stepped beyond the confines of death, leaving behind a body untouched by decay. The doctors and scientists who examined his body were left speechless. No logical explanation could unravel this enigma. What force had prevented his body from decomposing? Was it a sign that Sri Aurobindo had achieved something extraordinary, something that transcended the laws of nature? The mystery grew even more profound when, on the 5th day, a faint discoloration appeared and his body was finally laid to rest. But the questions remained. Did Sri Aurobindo truly die, or did he merely shed his physical form to continue his journey in realms unknown? Was his refusal of medical treatment an act of surrender, or was it an intentional step into a higher state of being? Even today, as we stand before the tomb of Sri Aurobindo, the air around it vibrates with an energy that feels alive, as if whispering secrets that our mortal ears can barely comprehend. Sri Aurobindo's death is not merely a chapter in history, it is an eternal mystery, a gateway into the unknown. Perhaps he never truly left. Perhaps, in the stillness of the night, he continues his work, guiding humanity from the shadows, forever watching. forever waiting. Thank you for joining us on this intriguing journey into the mysterious life and death of Sri Aurobindo. If you enjoyed this exploration into the unknown, we invite you to become a part of the Enigmatic Ends family. Don't forget to like this video, leave your thoughts in the comments, and share it with others who love unraveling mysteries. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an adventure into history's most enigmatic figures. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the mysteries of life.